Want to know the dirty little secret that 99% of broke entrepreneurs are too scared to try? It's borderline unethical, stupidly effective, and it's how the rich keep getting richer. Buckle up. We're spilling the tea. All right, so there's this kinda shady hack to blast out of broke mode, and yeah, tons of folks slam it as unethical, but damn if it doesn't deliver massive results. We're diving in anyway. Let's break it down. The grind millions of businesses launch every year, but 90% crash and burn. The 10% that explode? They're the ones the market gods favor, getting all the customers, buzz, and cash flow. Problem is, it takes years of brutal trial and error to crack what the market craves versus what it ignores. So, how do broke entrepreneurs shortcut to that elite 10% without the wait? Simple. Even if you're clueless on killer strategies, mimic the moguls who aren't. What I'm getting at is scout the top dogs in your industry and straight up swipe their winning plays. Before you call foul, picture this. Right now, you're like a lost hiker in a jungle. No compass, just hacking through vines, hoping to stumble on treasure. That's the biz equivalent of throwing random ideas at the wall and praying one sticks for viral profits. The analogy sounds dumb when I say it out loud, right? So why not grab a freaking GPS? Nah, I'm not telling you to be a total copycat thief, ripping off trademarks or products wholesale. Of course, tweak it, level it up, make it your vibe. But business is a savage arena. If you're not dissecting what crushes for the big players and evolving your game from it, you're just gonna get eaten alive and stay broke. Actionable hustle. Here's your move. Do this ASAP. Hit up Google, LinkedIn, or industry forums. Search for the heavyweight businesses in your niche. Compile a hit list of the giants, then obsessively dissect their strategies. What hooks customers? What pricing slays? What marketing angles go nuclear? Slap that intel straight into your operation. And when I've dropped this gem on others, the top pushback is, won't rivals spot it? Won't they blast me for jacking their blueprint? Hell yeah, they will. And that's golden. I know a dude in the e-com space who borrows tactics left and right. His reviews and forums are flooded with thief and copycat scum. Vibes. Guess what? He's still raking in 7 figures monthly. Proves that noise, even the hate, amps up visibility and engagement, fueling your growth harder. So, is this tactic a bit grimy? Could be. But if it catapults you out of broke and into baller status, who cares? The ends justify the means in this game. Ready to ditch broke life and dominate your niche? Smash that subscribe button for more cutthroat strategies to 10x your hustle. Drop rich in the comments if you're stealing this hack, and I'll see you in the next one.